In Malaysia, Tzu Chi volunteers recently mobilized to distribute school supplies to the indigenous Paitan Village, some 200 kilometers from Sandakan in Sabah. The volunteer team included TIMA doctors from Kuala Lumpur, businessmen, and even indigenous children. It was truly a group effort to host the distribution as well as a free clinic.
Before dawn, some 72 volunteers from throughout Malaysia prepare for their upcoming trip. Amongst this group are 14 indigenous youth in T-shirts, 6 of which had been the beneficiaries of Tzu Chi support. Today they are preparing to repay this kindness by assisting in this distribution.
Today will be very hot, so please remember to bring your own water. Remember to drink water and look after your health.
A 4-hour trip culminates in the arrival at this Paitan Village. Volunteers quickly get to work as some 300 indigenous children are eager to receive school supplies.
I want to thank you for supporting our children with school supplies. I'm happy to be here, and the tears that I shed are an expression of my gratitude.
Local children lack school supplies as well as access to public health. A number of indigenous volunteers help remove head lice from these children.
This is the first time that I joined a Tzu Chi activity. I'm quite happy to have this opportunity to help fellow Malaysians.
23 medical personnel tend to local villagers in makeshift tents due to the area's limited resources.
Some of them are local physicians and some are from Western Malaysia who came here. TIMA has now been established in Sandakan, and we hope they can become the seeds and develop here.
Before, they didn't have to pay for the food they ate as everything could be found in the forest. But now, if they don't plant crops, they won't have any food.
Actually, they're quite healthy. Some have never visited with a doctor before. They need us to comfort them or provide them with a diagnosis.
Tzu Chi's medical clinic and distribution of school supplies provides compassion and support, allowing this indigenous community to flourish.